In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on your PS5 remotely using the PlayStation Remote Play app on your phone. Now, in order to do this, you'll have to initially set up your PS5 by going to Settings on it, and we're going to go to System Settings. Now, once you're here, scroll down to Remote Play and enable Remote Play, and make sure this is turned on for your PlayStation Network account. Now, once you've done that, go back and go to Power Saving and Features Available in Rest Mode. Now you want to make sure stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network are turned on. Then once you've done that, download the PlayStation Remote Play app on your phone and sign into your PlayStation Network account. Now the first time you use this app, it's going to look more like this, where it'll ask you to connect to your PS4 or PS5. So simply tap on PS5 and connect to it. Then going forwards, you'll be able to simply select PS5 on the home screen, and it'll automatically connect to your PS5 as long as it's in rest mode, and it'll turn it on. Then from there, you'll be able to navigate using the controller on your screen, and you can always turn it off from here. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.